discussion. How many people remember the 24th of the July? Today is 14th of the August. 24th of the July around the 10% base tariff that was applied on all the countries, I believe February time frame or something like that, it was over. It was under a trade act that was passed in 1974, under which American president could impose tariff on, if there is a trade deficit with any country, then he could impose tariff on that country. There is a right to the American president. Otherwise, tariff rate on any country must be decided by the American Congress. But anyway, a special right has been granted to the American president to impose tariff on any country if there is a severe trade deficit, and that will be only for 150 days. 24th July around, at that time 150 days was over, and then it has to be brought back to a 2.4% tariff that used to be the American tariff on every other country. When that 150 days was over, now to continue the tariff on those countries, Donald Trump out of the way, he is flipping the paper, he is flipping the pages of the book, that is 1974 Trade Act in United States, and he is imposing again tariff on 60 countries. 17 countries tariff 10% and 43 countries tariff 12.5%. Why? It is called forced labor. 60 countries in the world, they are involved in production, they are involved in manufacturing of the item, and that manufacturing is happening through forced labor. Steep reactions were seen from Australia, New Zealand, Japan, South Korea, China, Brazil, Singapore, these countries, even European Union. I believe Kaja Kallas, she or he is the head of some department in the European Union. So everyone, they raised a very steep reaction on the forced labor. European Union said, in fact, European Union gives paid leave to the employees. Okay, if you are going on the leave, still we will pay you, don't worry. Is it come under forced labor? Forced labor means you are forcing anyone to work for your company without giving salary here and there. These are called forced labor. Like you are keeping someone inside your company, forcing him to work for 2 years, then only I will give you salary as a lump sum. Before that, I am not going to give you the salary. Or your father had taken loan from my company and you have to work in my company for 5 years to repay the loan. These comes in forced labor. In fact, child labor also comes in the forced labor. So 60 countries, they are involved in forced labor, and they are, if they are exporting product into United States, then they will be tariffed with the 10%, 12.5%. This was just an excuse to place tariff on the country. Many countries, they placed steep reactions on the United States, and one of them was China also. But all countries, they kept silent after making a steep reaction on the United States. But China could not keep silence after that, and China as a country, it took measure in that. Okay, how many people know that Chinese company called DJI? DJI. This is 2006 established. All Chinese companies are 2000 onwards only. So 2006 there was a drone manufacturing company. Drone is a aeroplane that is generally it fly in the sky without any pilot. That is called drone. So in drone technology, the master of the drone technology in the globe is Chinese company called DJI. Okay, lithium ion battery, in lithium ion battery section also, the leader in the world is Chinese company only. I believe Cartel, Altel, something like that. Some name is there. Chinese, whatever the recent technology, what we are seeing like mobile, these are the recent technology. Drone, then lithium ion battery, robotics, okay, artificial intelligence, whatever the recent technology what we are seeing, all are now led by China only. Anyway, Chinese government, after allegation of forced labor, now Chinese government, they took a step against United States. Chinese drone companies or the supply chain management companies, like in the supply chain management, if any company is giving raw material or any other material to American company from China, or like drone company DJI, they are exporting drones into the United States. So China, they tried to control these companies who are involved in supply chain management into the American company. Not only that, they have blacklisted 6 American company. They have invested or they are selling product into the China. These companies are some biotech company, and these companies are some compliance testing company. Compliance testing company means if Chinese companies are producing anything, then for compliance testing means how it is working. For that you need some regulations, you need some certification, and these are being provided from the few American companies. So some compliance testing companies, some biotechnology company from the United States, whatever they have invested in USA, 6 companies, China has blacklisted in retaliation to the allegation of the forced labor. And whatever the drone company and other few other companies, they are into the supply to the high technology robotics company, high technology into the United States. Now they have warned them. They have tried to control their export into the United States. Now news is coming that in retaliation to it, first China retaliated to the United States. Now United States is retaliating to the China now. Now United States had declared that they are imposing 100% tariff on the drones now. The drone, the unmanned aeroplane that is being sold out to the United States, since these unmanned aeroplanes, they have tie-up with the Chinese military. So we are placing 100% tariff on them. DJI, they have placed a certification, they have placed a proof to the American government that we are no way we are aligned to the Chinese military. No way. We are a private firm. We have nothing to do with the Chinese military. But allegations had always mounted on the DJI company that they are helping Chinese military to monitor the Uyghur region. Xinjiang region is a region in China which is considered as a forced occupation in 1948-49 frame. Xinjiang is an independent country called South Turkestan, and Tibet is an independent country. But China forcibly, the Chinese Liberation Army, PLA, People's Liberation Army, I don't know what is liberation there, but these are the communist country. You cannot question them. Means whatever comes to their mind, they have done it. So they have controlled Xinjiang, and the DJI drones are being used by the Chinese military to monitor the Xinjiang province. These are the allegations. Now Donald Trump is using this allegation, and he has put 100% tariff on the drone imported into the United States. Anyway, let's talk about the DJI company. DJI company, this is a company from China established in 2006 time frame. $10 billion is the annual turnover. $10 billion, 1 lakh crore rupees. That is extremely high amount for a drone manufacturing company. $10 billion. Any drone which is weighing more than 25 kilogram, 100% tariff. Less than that, 25% tariff. $10 billion is the revenue of the DJI company, and then 80% of the drones that are being used in United States come from DJI only. Whatever the earning DJI is making, whatever the turnover over the DJI is, 40% goes to the United States only. These are the data. 80% of the drones, they are being used in America from DJI, and DJI, whatever the export they are making, 40% goes to the United States. Means there is a high coupling of DJI and United States. Anyway, this is what I have been saying, that if Iran is confident that they are not going to lose to the United States, then it is because of the China only. All recent latest technology in the world are being driven by the China. Can someone imagine? Anyway, Donald Trump has blacklisted few robotics companies from the China. Robotics, drone, mobile technology, all the recent technology, three artificial intelligence, lithium ion battery, then green energy cars, green energy vehicles, all are from China only. Means America is in deep trouble now. Okay, they have initiated war with the Iran, but they don't know where to go. Iran is making a joke on the making a kind of mockery on the Donald Trump when he was hiding here and there and shifting aeroplane in the Turkey because they had a fear from the Iranian missile. Anyway, lot of cartoons and lot of hoardings are going on in the Iran mocking the American president. Anyway, two things are coming into the picture. The United States is becoming secondary on the latest engineering technology. That is for sure. This is very well understood through this measure of the Donald Trump when he is imposing 100% tariff on the DJI. And second question is going on the Xinjiang, because the politics now, the DJI company, their drone are being used by the Chinese military. They are buying it, or they have tie up with the DJI, but they are using for Xinjiang province. Not only that, the six companies which has been blacklisted by the China, these are American company into the biotech sector and compliance testing sector. These companies, they have offices mainly in Xinjiang province of the China. Means Xinjiang province is the next. I would say it is a kind of new Iran. What I can say, the reason of the China that may be a disputable in the global politics now, because why China is thinking about blacklisting American company, especially for the Xinjiang. When DJI, they have a relation with the Xinjiang, DJI into the picture, means looks like the United States is preparing now for Xinjiang. Means America is thinking about China. They know that till China is powerful, they can never capture Iran. Not possible. Anyway, global politics is changing, global politics is making progress, and we are watching it. Anyway, Donald Trump is congratulating Mr. Abe Larado from the Colombia. What about Ukraine? Ukraine presidential election happened in 2019. 5 year term, Mr. Vladimir Zelensky, his term is over in 2024 only. If American president would be vocal on this, because war with the Russia is not very high-fi, it is going on. Russia had election recently where Vladimir Putin came back again, so there should be election in Ukraine also. For 2 years there is no election, and Mr. Zelensky, he just continue like anything. Anyway, there should be comment on that also, that is required, I think so.